Hello everyone, this is Berika from Holtop, China. Today I'd like to share a good solution to save your electricity bills with the Holtop energy recovery ventilator. Are you still struggling with the high electricity bills in summer by using the air conditioner? Do you want to lower your energy bill? Most ventilation systems can drive up heating and cooling costs while decreasing the indoor comfort. Much like renting a room by opening a window, ventilation systems can degrade energy performance because they expel air without capturing the heat. Besides, the exhaust fans need makeup air to operate properly. They're pulling unconditioned air through gaps and cracks in the building's exterior, creating drafts. This has a huge impact on both comfort and energy costs. HRV and ERV systems conserve energy, lowering utility bills. The heat from the exhaust air is transferred to the incoming air via a heat exchanger. The heat recovery ventilators are up to 95% efficient, saving energy. This also helps reduce the size of the HVAC equipment needed because it doesn't have to work as hard to heat and cool when the intake air is conditioned by the HRV unit. An HRV provides a constant supply of fresh filtered air for the building's occupants. The higher the heat recovery percentage, the greater the comfort. For example, if the indoor room temperature is 21 centigrade and the outside temperature is -1 centigrade, the heat recovery rate could make the differences between having the air in the low 60 seconds coming into the house versus air that is over 18 degrees centigrade. Less efficient HRV systems can supply fresh air to living spaces at uncomfortable temperatures. As a result, occupants turn off the unit or use it intermittently. This is a concern because without constant ventilation, indoor air quality will get worse. So, Holtop heat recovery ventilators are built in high-efficiency brushless DC models. The power consumption can be reduced by up to 17%, resulting in significant energy saving. So if you are interested in Holtop energy saving HRV and want to saving the electric bills, please contact us right now.